Hello, hello, hello. Check out what I got. Little package from Sugartit Custom Lures. Me? Let's open this up, see what we got. I ordered some lures. I'm making a video for all my 3 fans so they can see what I got. For all my 4 followers.
I do, but I figured it'd dry a little bit.
Oh, look at this knife, I made it a little while back.
Really?
It opens a box like no other. Here we go. I got myself a 2.5-inch minnow, small wake baits, 5 small wake baits, 2.5-inch, 4 minnows, 1 Sugartit decal, and then he gave me here's how they come, real nice in the most little package. Maybe I can open this. Yeah. 4 2.5-inch minnows. 2, 3, 4. 4 2.5-inch minnows. 5 small wake baits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. I haven't made any of these before.
Yeah.
These look real nice. Too smooth, no weird spots. There we go. 5 of them. 1 decal 5. 1-inch square bill with rattles. High quality. 3, 4. Oh no. These are square bills. STC-A80 crank. 6 of these guys. Alright. 4 medium square, high quality, high crank. There might be some extra stuff here. 1.5-inch square bills.
Which one? The one in Pentigo?
And then he threw in a 2.75-inch pop.
Yeah.
He's always giving me a little extra stuff. So, anyway, the lures look great, and can't wait to paint them, make some videos for y'all. See y'all later. Bye.
This one. What mid text? Yeah, I put them on top. Like where the fan is blowing.